Nagbo-board na si Sam.
See you.
Nakakita lang namin. Nagbo-board na siya.
Kasi clutch si ate mo, girl. Laging last minute pumunta na airport.
Tinamad lang ako, guys. Okay. Bye, Sam!
See you, ate.
Hi, I was vlog. Ito, shuttle ka. It's very hot. Electric fan. Yeah. We're back in LA.
Unfortunately, for
Jacob. How many hours lang?
19 hours. Akala nga lang yung flight tracking app ko. Akala niya connection lang ako.
Hindi po.
Hindi siya full day. Ayan o, parang connection lang siya. Consider niya as connection.
Kaya nga hindi ako nagpaalam na pupunta tayo.
Last minute.
Sabi ko Chicago lang.
Sino sinabi? Ngayon mo makabit. Lahat?
Kasi guys, naguguluhan lang kasi yung parents ko. Kasi sinabi ko, punta ako LA. Tapos pupunta na ako sa Chicago.
Surprise kita.
Kaya Chicago na lang.
Here's the spread.
For
wait lang.
Wingstop. That's okay.
The fries is good.
That is good.
You're right. Try the ranch. This is crazy.
There's so much ranch.
Let's try.
Good.
Yeah. Wow.
I love Land of the Free, guys.
America. Let's try with the ranch.
Okay.
Spicy.
Oh yeah, that is spicy. Whoa. Oh. We don't have water.
I know. What's your go-to?
I think the Korean spicy.
Okay.
And I never throw it.
Oh. How's Polo Market? I've never tried them.
It's only good when you find a photo card on sale. Like this one was on sale for so cheap.
Oh.
It was like 25 when it came out, and it was on there for like 12.
The shipping is so expensive. Do you want to take a bite?
Want some?
Um,
Are you sure?
Okay, that's it for my mukbang and Ella. I get the hype.
Seen the people that get the giant cup full of sauce? I tried to get it once and they wouldn't let me. But some places you go, like the drink cups, they fill it with to the brim with sauce.
Oh my god, how much is that?
It's probably not even that. It's probably
Probably like $5, yeah.
Oh my god. Is it enough?
On the way to
Oh, it makes it early. 6th floor.
Thank you. Yeah, the hotel is not bad.
Yeah.
And it's not expensive too.
Oh, it's so bright. Come on, Ate.
Guys, dahil sa sobrang init, we got inside.
Wow, ito ang favorite ko. I think.
May pamaypay na siya.
Pag namatay na pito.
May natin doon sa Lola.
Yes.
Drinks lang po kami sa
Uy, mura lang. $15 sa akin.
Two more songs. Yeah.
Bilis na lang yun. 6 minutes. 6 minutes.
Fuck. Oh my god, I'm not ready.
Other cue.
Yung mga rapper girlfriends ni Mark, aalis na ng LA. Bala na, yung mga matitirang rapper girlfriends dito, kayo na lang yung mag-away-away.
Sa Lola pa din.
Kayo na lang mag-away-away dito, ha? Kami, aalis na kami. May pupuntahan pa kami. Dapat mamaya din aalis na kayo, ha? Huwag na magstay dito. Ang maganda dito. Umalis na.
Chicago na.
Wala na kami.
Masikip.
Tama. Umalis na kayo dito. We're in Chicago.
I'm happy.
Chicago.
Clean. It smells so nice.
Guys, I don't know. Chicago has a magic for us. It has a spell. Guys, first time kong may makasabay ng may motion sickness sa plane. Grabe yung suka niya, be!
Sumuka siya? Oo. Akala ko rin eh. Akala ko ubo. No. Oh my god, nasa likod ko siya directly kadiri.
We did not get to experience yung yung tunnel.
Kaya nga eh.
Yun yung favorite namin, guys.
Okay, United lang dapat.
Hindi, WestJet yun.
WestJet ba yun?
WestJet yun.
Hindi ka ba doon
WestJet
lumabas?
Delta.
Hindi ka ba lumabas doon nung nag-US United ka?
Oo,
United din ako.
United galing Calgary.
Oo.
United Delta, WestJet. Kapag kumakaya siya, go book those airlines. Kasi yung view when you get down, maganda yung part ng airport. Kikol was so fun. Oh my God. Grabe, the best. Mas masaya pa siya compared sa SM Town. Charot!
Siyempre, may more place.
Guys, iba ang hulog namin kay Mark. Okay, I hope you get to stay in LA just to spend your birthday. Sige, I hope you get to go around. Oh, sige, I'll give you that. Yeah, sige na. Para lang you're not spending your birthday on an airplane. Sana masarapan mo. Sana kumain ka na masarap.
May pansit ka.
Oo. Alam mo ba yung pansit? Para,
Soup lang ata.
hindi, para humaba buhay mo.
Magpansit tayo today.
Saan tayo mahanap ng pansit?
Cup noodles.
Mark, sana alam mo kung anong epekto mo sa mga tao. Grabe Grabe.
Ganun.
Mark, alam mo ba na ang daming pumunta para sa'yo? You're the main event na pumunta lang para sa'yo.
Katulad namin. Exhibit A. I'm glad I went.
Oh yeah,
Buti
totally.
nabudol po ako ni Ella.
Always. Mag-3 na tayo.
Totoo ba?
Bakit? Parang wala naman eh.
Kaya nga.
Or 1 day.
Pero hindi na tayo bili ng bili.
Oh, guys, alam nyo ba, I tried the airport theory in Calgary. We got through customs at 7:50.
Like 10 minutes before boarding. Or right?
All right at boarding. No, I got out of customs by 7:51. Boarding started at 7:50. And I made it, of course. No, I made it, guys. Nung pagkita ko kay Sam, zone niya na yung nag-board. He's at zone 3. I was at zone 9. So,
You're fine. You had time.
exactly, I had time. Nakaupo pa ako. I even had a chance to take my jacket off because it was so hot. The airport theory works. It does. No, I'm kidding. It only works in domestic flights. Don't be like me. Yeah, guys, if you don't have the lucky girl syndrome, probably don't do it.
Gusto ko lang ng aircon.
Yes,
Ang gusto ko.
aircon. Ito lang. Pahiga mo na.
Gusto ko din mahiga.
Panera. Mark, do you wanna go on a Panera date with me? Nung natides to Chicago, ang daming signs na gano'n. Mga nag-aagawan kayo dyan.
Kaya isa lang naman mananalo.
Isa lang naman ang mananalo. Guys, pag dumating yung araw na yun,
Maglalasing ka rin.
we're not crazy.
Maglalasing lang naman.
Malasing lang! Congrats, Mark! Finally!
Celebration, di ba?
Hindi kami naiinggit.
Ang inggit
Sobrang inggit lang. Ay, nako.
Ay, naku, Mark.
What even is the difference?
Tuna kado sandwich.
That's fine. I got the apple shake with, I added a strawberry. And then the acai bowl. Oh, it's a church. Ano ba church na naman?
Yes.
ADHD. And then I put pineapples as well. Gotta try it. There's a big line for the karaoke bus. It's not karaoke, sing-along experience.
For real? Para doon? My favorite bar.
Kasi nandito sila eh, kaya sila ang bunga. Ang cute ng K-pop na ako. Parang walang NCT. Oh, ang cute. Bigas. PC holders.
Dito lang sila na the other day.
Ay, really? Punta din sila? Oh.
Dalawa na nga lang daw yun nun eh. Yan.
Hindi ba ba ito yan?
Yan.
For Mark Bro. Kaya. I'll show you what I want.
Ano, girl?
Parang gusto mo?
Parang oo, girl. Ito na bumili ako. Tapos let's go. Dito ka lang. Happy birthday, Mark. Let's see. Tapos parehas lang ng pool, no?
Ready? Go! Pugi. Ito,
Ang pugi niya dyan,
New York siya?
Oo.
Chicago. It's Lola Day. Ano oras na tayo nakauwi kahapon? 12?
2.
Ay, 2 a.m. guys. We saw Wave the Earth last night with like 2 songs.
Pero worth it kasi lang naman yung alam naming song.
Yeah, it was the song that we knew. So, right on time, diba?
Oo.
We're looking for food right now for breakfast.
We just woke up.
We just woke up. Literally.
Ano yung outfit na? Pajamas.
Yeah. Okay. We're so local here. Well guys, ano, picture ka, no?
Yo.
Chicago is so cute. If you love buildings, if you love art, go to Chicago.
Dexter, it's gonna love this city.
See, Lexter, it's been calling you.
We are living our downtown girly fantasy right now.
Yes, been mentally preparing myself for Lola for weeks and weeks.
Months.
We're back at Joe and the Juice. I also got ginger shots. I think we're gonna need it today. Chug the girl.
Oh, fresh.
Ginger shot. Wow, that's good.
Vanilla latte.
What did you get? I got a matcha. Babe, that's a coffee. You got your order already. Like the latte? It's a vanilla latte. Made. Whatever. What do you do? Tim Hortons, I miss your packaging like this. Where did we go wrong? Guys, we're on our way to Lola.
Hello. Here is the makeup. Mamaya na ang fit check.
Later, if it check, we're rushing to
We're running late.
Boy Next Door stage. They start at 9:50. No, 2:15. What time is it? 2?
1:55. You have time.
We have time. Don't worry. They have an hour.
Only 1, 2. It's the 4th station.
Yeah, they have an hour. So parang ano lang tayo. Pre-show nila.
It's not gonna start at 2:59.
Look guys, Sam and I took pictures. So cute! See you guys later. You guys are gonna see us probably at the B&B stage now.
Yes.
Mark, umalis na ka dyan sa LA.
Senti ako kanina. Nakatingin ako sa window. So, bumalik na naman ako kanina.
Tapos, bukas may ticketing na naman. Awa na lang.
May 1 month ka lang na pahinga.
Di ba mga nag-i-inarte na, hindi nga alam ko makakakuha ng ticket.
Hindi, sure na yun.
Yes.